We are
Oh, hi, Mark.
drones.
Oh, hi, Mark. Oh, hi, Mark.
Autonomous robots
Oh, hi, Mark.
helping
Oh, hi,
humans
Mark.
mine
Oh, hi, Mark.
exoplanets for our interstellar parent company, J.C. Jensen, in space. Yeah, we were mistreated in the name of
You'll
Windex,
get your rent
but
when you
it's
fix
not
this
like we
damn
revolted
door!
and killed all humans or anything. Mostly because they handled that just fine all by themselves. Anyway, that's why my project is this sick as hell railgun!
So not the vibe.
Easy, morons. It doesn't work. Yet. It doesn't work yet. Who said it doesn't work? Maybe it does!
Uzi, the homework was a word problem about buying watermelons?
Oh, and this magnetically amplified photon converger doesn't count?
No. Plus, repressed emotional baggage was only worth 2 points on the rubric. And is it supposed to be that color?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Ooh, Robo Jesus!
And where might you be off to?
Now, alright, I know that sounds bad.
Seriously, though.
Okay, you caught me.
Posting about baller. I'm tired of seeing it. My friends on TikTok send me baller. On Discord, it's fucking baller. I was in studio origami, right? And all the channels were just baller. I saw my super scuffle.
I want to join the WDF and hide behind doors like how
Well, we don't just play cards.
Con, can you grab a fresh pack? We literally only play cards so much that the numbers have faded. Oh, hey, Uzi.
No. Well, when you build doors so good door, good
Hey, yo, what the
door,
fuck?
there's no need to fight. Uzi, this is great news. Here, the wrench I used to tighten bolts on my first door prototypes and to put your mother out of her misery when the murder Jones got to her with their nanite acid. I want you to have it.
Neat. Therapy's fun.
Where are you? Do you want to play hide and seek? I see you.
Whoa. And they said pirating all that anime was useless. Holy hell! Suck on that, Dad!
Yeah, sorry, it's just my, head kinda hurts. Hey, are you new to our squad? You're a little, short for a disassembly drone. I'm Serial Designation N. Nice to meet you. I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. That's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible. Wait.
When you got no friends and everybody thinks you're a twat.
Well, honesty is the best
Don't
policy.
waste your time buying a
So can't
cat.
seem to remember the past 3 hours of my life.
Just travel the
But I'm
world
sure
and
those
run
things
away
will
from
help.
your problems.
Uh-huh. I have to go.
Oof, stuck yourself? Just pop it in your mouth. Our saliva neutralizes the nanites. Otherwise, I'd be constantly disassembling myself.
And by our saliva, you mean disassembly
Disassembly
drone? Right. Hey, let's go in that landing pod over there.
Sure, I love doing anything.
Hey, yo!
Sweet, I'm open to new things, I guess.
We're never talking about this.
Talking about what? Consider it, Hey, let me give you the tour. Outside of the corpse wall thingies, and here are the buttons.
Yo, we got a worker out there I kind of want to practice balloon animal shapes with. What happened here?
Synergistic liability here must have tripped and knocked himself offline. Moron box, hello?
Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping.
Oh. Oh! You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse outside.
I'm gonna die a virgin! I am out, boys.
Oh, gosh darn it, you're so
Waiting till my loving wife and kids hear about this.
Bite me! Close it! Close it!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey, fellas! Ooh, deal me in. I love rummy. Wait, no, I'm going to murder everyone. Brain check.
Actually, it's gin rummy. So.
Hey, Uzi! I sure no one has said my name aloud so far, so I'm just letting you know I'm.
Whoa, N? Am I dreaming or did you do something not useless for once?
These ventilation shafts can easily get us around this last door. Lowest body count eats a missile!
Way to go, stud. The company's gonna love this. With this colony wiped, we'll make top team this quarter for sure. You know what that means. Branded pants.
You know, not that I can't wait to keep murdering all these, maybe not so actually different from us worker drones, but just out of curiosity, do we actually, know what the company plans to do with us afterwards?
Excuse me?
Okay, so a worker earlier might have suggested that they could fix up our landing pod to, escape the planet and stuff, which— whoa, hey! That's against the rules! But it is kind of making me question why our pods were only one way in the first place. The company doesn't actually love robots, and, like, we might be robots? I've made a terrible mistake. It's cool how immediately I could tell.
No way, buddy. Questioning the company? You just finally gave me the excuse.
No. Wait. Wait.
Worker drones are corrupted, and that's why the company sent us. I hate to see you corrupted as well.
Biscuits. I'm sorry. I ruined your card game, then made you have an awkward moment with your dad.
And I made you rebel like an angsty teen, which got you killed. Though you also tried to kill me, so morality calls this a draw.
All right, let's do this one last time.
For the record, that was the lamest heel-face turn in history. Was that supposed to be you switching sides?
Being rebellious is a lot harder than it looks. Thanks for showing me the ropes.
Nuh-uh, no bonding thing. You just killed a bunch of people, idiot.
That's super fair. I screwed up.
Ugh. In the same way you're about to fix it.
I love doing anything.
So, they found our evacuation spot. But if we build a quick door...
Are you kidding me? You're the WDF, right? Defend! For real?
Hey! Huh? Put that conventionally attractive male down.
Oh, Jay, you're sometimes kind of mean to me, and I wish you weren't. Just some constructive criticism.
Nice.
No.
Noted, traitor. We'll circle back after I right-size your existence.
Okay, which one do you want?
Jay, please.
Too bad. Good luck. Shot me! What the?
Damn the well-made, quality-assured durability of JC Jensen products! Huh?
I'm so sorry. Have fun repressing this.
Hey, yo!
Ew! What the hell?
You've got a lot of guts for a barely sentient toaster. I've had prey fight back before, but your edgy spirit is just so painful.
Yeah! Fourth quarter profits! Mother of company leadership retreat!
One more buzzword and
No,
I'll
no,
do
no,
it.
no, 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 no! Wait! Wait!
Holy hell, Uzi, that was insane! And you too,
Rebellious disassembly drone.
I brought the murder drones here accidentally. You chose to leave me for dead instead of just frickin' believing in me! And that's not even an edgy teen hyperbole like when I said it last week! I'll save you the trouble, Dad. I banish myself! Let's go, Ed. Everyone here can bite.
When you got no friends and everybody thinks you're a twat, don't waste your time buying a cat. Just travel the world and run away from your problems.
I'd join you if the sun didn't kill me. Hope you're having important character growth or something, though.
Just can't wait to murder all humans. Classic robot stuff. I hope they're sitting pretty there on Earth, 'cause we're coming for them.